Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about 2x squared go to the right, and we have negative 2x squared. Later that we divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration 3 over s, and because 3 over s next to y, that is for integrating factor. This one we have 3 ln(s). Later that we put number 3 go inside about natural law in here, and we have s to the power of 3. That means we multiply both sides by s to the power of 3. This one we have 3s squared. This one we have s to the power of 4. This one we have number 5. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ys to the power of 3. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx, we have like this. And now we have the final answer. Number 4 divided by number 4. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.